Victim in Tarun Tejpal case has given the statement. The noted lawyer Shyam Keshwani, who is assisting the victim in Mumbai, is with us. Shyam Keshwani had been given a strict instruction from the family and the family members not to speak to the media, but still, Mr. Keshwani has taken a turn to speak to Headlines today. Thank you so much to talk to Headlines today, sir. One important question to you. The incident happened on November 7 and 8 in Goa. The statement had the same content, or there's something more that the people don't know about Tarun Tejpal, and that could be the big disasters for Tarun Tejpal.
That I would not know, but it certainly covers those two crucial days.
And so one very bottom line question, what the family and what the victim has said after the statement, what they really want in this case, sir?
As I told you, every victim of every crime wants justice. That's all. That's what she wants.
Now, can we define this case just only a sexual harassment case, or there could be a possibility that it might be defined or turned into a rape case, sir?
It is a case of rape.
How, sir, technically?
You see, because you don't have to go as per the old definition of rape as given in the IPC. Now there has been an amendment. The old law was that penetration, howsoever minor, amounted to rape. That is not so now. Now it goes much beyond that.
And does that also mean that now it has become a very strong case against Tarun Tejpal? He could not escape from the law?
I would say it's a very serious case against Tarun Tejpal.
And if the police make a strong investigation and file a strong charge sheet, maybe whenever it does, there's a possibility that he might be arrested very soon, sir?
Arrest could take place any day now. Any day now.
And one more thing, sir, is it required that the victim has to present herself before the magistrate for another statement, or does she need to file an FIR herself?
FIR has already been lodged in this matter. If the police want, they can have her statement recorded before the magistrate also, but that depends on the police and nobody else.
Right, sir. Finally, from a legal perspective, from you very senior in this entire field, how do you look the entire case from your legal point of view? A case against a journalist, a CG journalist against a Tehelkachi?
You see, the matter is now virtually sub judice. I or anybody else can just give my own view. The correct view can emerge only after reading the full charge sheet, the material that has been collected by the Goa police. At this juncture, nobody can say how strong or how weak the case is. But prima facie, it seems to be a very strong case.
So one last question. We are getting information that Goa police is back to Goa again after Mumbai statement, and they might be taking the victim to Goa for the before bringing her before the magistrate. Is it true that she has already gone with Goa police, sir?
I would not know whether she is in Mumbai or she is in Goa, whether she has gone with the Goa police or she has gone on her own or she is still here. I would not be able to tell you, throw any light on that aspect.
But in Mumbai you will be supporting the entire legal, from a assessment
Yes,
perspective.
yes. Why Mumbai? I would support her anywhere in the country.
Thank you so much. That was Shyam Keshwani exclusively talking to Headlines today, saying one important thing: victim and the family need justice. They are looking for a justice, and definitely it is a very serious case against Tarun Tejpal, and he might not escape the law. With camera person Arun Desai, Virendra Singh Gunawat in Mumbai for Headlines today.